Good. That's fine. You good.
Yeah.
All right. Doing
Cause
Ashley stuff. Just take 2, meal 2.
I was about to do almond milk and just remembered who I was serving. Hey guys, I'm Ashley Clark with Your Health Matters LLC, and I'll be showing you all another smoothie bowl that you can try today. It's an avocado and kale smoothie. Avocado is great for adding some healthy fats into your diet and adds a really good creamy texture to your smoothies. So we're gonna start out with a cup of kale leaves. I chose to do baby kale, just a little bit easier to break down, but you can also do regular kale leaves as well. Then adding a whole banana and a little bit of chia seeds. Just putting a few in because I'm saving the rest of them to top the bowl with. And then we have this gorgeous avocado. So taking half of one avocado and putting that in to our blender. And I'm using a Ninja Ultra Prep food processor and blender combination. You can find this on Amazon if you're interested. This one is really good at breaking down pretty much any type of any food without having to do a lot of chopping. All right, so I'm adding some water. You could also, if you wanted a little bit thicker, add some almond milk or cashew milk, soy milk, coconut, any other type of milk just for a different consistency. But I prefer to put water into my smoothies for the most part. And then I'm gonna get some ice. Yep, that was a little bit in the way, you know. Anything can happen. All right, so I'm doing half a cup of ice. Top it off. Also, for some sweetener, just because the banana might not be the full amount of sweetness that I want, putting a little bit of agave syrup in here. All right, now we're going. All right, I think it's all down to the consistency that I like. So grabbing a bowl. Ooh, there we go. Wait, get the camera. Oh, you were in my way today.
I'm sorry.
Okay, there we go. Nice and creamy texture. All right, so I'm topping mine with some raspberries, chia seeds, and then the rest of one other banana. This is your smoothie bowl, so you can put whatever you'd like on it. I think these flavors will pair well as the banana and the chia seeds are already in this particular smoothie, and then the raspberry just adds a little bit more color to it. So I'm topping it with chia seeds right down the middle. Doing some raspberries along the side. And my bananas on the other side. Look, we keep things separate around here, and I'm okay with that. No touching, social distancing, and there we go. Look at that. This is beautiful. All right, so here we have our avocado and kale smoothie. Drew is gonna come in here and give this a try. Let me know if it's taste approved. I'm gonna stand back because you took your mask off.
Social distancing.
Yes, my distance, even in the kitchen. gotta put the fruit and like the toppings along with it too. Oh gosh. Take the mat. Yes, there we go.
See, with the fruit, it adds. Cause at first I thought it was gonna be like baby food. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, the fruit gives it that extra.
What about with the raspberry compared to the banana?
The raspberry has a slightly tartness to it, but the banana has a sweetness to it. Now, would it be okay if I added like some agave on top of it, or would that take away from the bowl itself?
Yeah, you could top the agave on it to add, even if you wanted to top some honey. That could be a good topper as well.
Okay, and I can really see this doing almond milk. Oh, together.
Yeah, all together now. Okay, so it's a win when you get the dance at the end. Yeah.
Love it. It's so good.
Okay, you can.
I mean,
You can go now. Thank you. Thank you, Drew. Thank you. All right. So I'll see you guys next week for another fun adventure.